Hey guys, it is, oh no, 1 o'clock in the morning, and you guys are seeing this the next day. But I really wanted to share this with you because I'm so tired, but I've got to wash my face because I have makeup on, of course, and I can't go to bed like that, right? So I really wanted to talk to you guys earlier today about this product, but I never got around to it. I had such a great day, and I just didn't get around to it. But now's the time because it's the perfect time. It's one of those products that you can use and get all the makeup off your face, cleanse your face, exfoliate, and everything with one wipe, one cloth. It's our Mary Kay facial cloth. Can you see that? Facial cloths. They come 30 in a bag, and they're really good. And all you need to do it is some water. So I'm going to do this really quick because, again, I don't know how long these videos, how long it can be. So here's the cloth right here. One cloth. It is dried. All you have to do is wet it, put some water on it, and just kind of push it up so it get all nice and lathery. See that? And then you just wash your face. Because I want to get all that makeup off my face. Because I want to go to bed. I'm so sleepy. And I do love my volume firm set. Look at that. All that came off. I do love my volume firm set. But I am not in the mood right now to do the whole 2-3 step thing, which isn't long. I just want to go to bed. I want to go home. I want to go get in my bed. But I want to wash my face. And in doing this, not only am I cleansing, but I'm exfoliating, I'm toning, and I'm freshening my skin just with that towel. Look at that. All that came off of my face. That's so sad. All that came off my face. But it's off my face. My skin is clean. And that is what I was going for. The whole clean thing, you know, before I go to bed. I didn't want to go to bed with all that makeup on my face. And my face is clean. Get my lips. So, yeah, face is clean. I can go to bed. And we can talk about this tomorrow. But, yep, Mary Kay facial cloths, great on the go, portable, great for the gym. It's great for, I keep some in the drawer of my desk, because if you got to do something, those hot summery days when it gets really sticky, you feel like you just want to run home, jump in the shower, and all you need to do is wash your face. 30 in a pack. 30 in a pack. You can use anytime. They're great for all types of skin, non-comedogenic, hyperallergenic. Is that the right way? I'm so tired I can't talk. But it's great. And my skin, clean, and it feels good, right? All right. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night or a great morning. Again, facial cloths.